Well, the first thing I'm going to give you a URL you can use specifically, and I will also say as well that once you rank, so for this one here, for instance, let's say that our keyword we're going after is probiotics for dogs. Okay, let's just go into the actual product. Hopefully it's still there. It is still there. Cool. So let's suppose the main search term, the main buying search term I'm going after on Amazon is probiotics for dogs. So that's my high level search term that I definitely want to rank for. Probiotics for dogs. Okay, that's what I'm going to go after. Now, once I go after that and Amazon sees me making sales for that search term, then they will automatically start adding me into the search engine results page for associated search terms. So I might get probiotics for dogs, awesome, but then I might also get probiotics for small dogs. I might also get probiotics for Labradors, for instance. They'll start adding me in naturally anyway. So once you rank for one major search term and you make sales, very important, you're making sales for that search term, then Amazon will automatically add you in and test you out for other search terms as well. Okay, so there's that. That process, however, can be a little bit slow. So if you want to speed that up, then what you need to do, let me just go get this. What's this one? So this is all my inner circles. So this is the one I just did with everybody. Now, which one do I need? This one. So I just did this one with all of the folks in my inner circle. And it was the last one, I think. There we go. There we go. So what you can use is what's called a modified super URL. Okay, and the way that you put those super URLs together is well, you can see right here that we've got, I don't know if I can highlight that. I'm going to pass this through in the chat for you. If you're not on this call, you're watching this recording, I do apologize. Feel free to ask somebody, send to all, ask somebody in the Facebook group to give you that. This will allow you to rank your product for multiple search terms through one sale. I hope I've explained that in a way that you can understand that. So typically a sale is associated with one specific search term. So I started searching for, in this case, dog leash. Dun, dun, dun. Let's just see if I can get that. So I started searching for dog leash. No, I can't highlight it. That's a pain in the ass. No. And I then purchased a product. Well, that gives me link juice for that single search term, dog leash. Okay, that's typically how it works. However, using this modified super URL, you can get one sale to be associated for SEO with up to 3 different search terms. So here we've got dog leash, we've got heavy duty dog leash, and we've got large dog leash. Okay. Anything else I want to say about that? I don't think so. Follow the structure of that. So you can see here that the search terms dog plus leash is put together. There's no gaps between that, the plus sign. And then we have what's called a pipe separating them. And then space. And then heavy plus duty plus dog plus leash, for instance. Stuff like that. That's how you got to structure that. But then you can use that to run, typically you'd run Facebook traffic to a lead like that, to a link like that, not Google AdWords, because Google probably won't let you run that. But you'd run Facebook traffic to it, and that would then allow you to fast track what I've already told you, Mike, as far as Amazon actually doing that for you. That will fast track it, and also as well give you some control over the search terms that you go after and rank for. Hope that helps. I know that's pretty techie. That was something I did for my inner circle. Yeah. So and so because of that, I get more time to build the frame of reference and the foundation that you typically need. Like, you might not even know what a super URL is. I've got no idea, but it gives me more time to do all that shit. But if you just want what the hell do I do? That's what the hell you do. Hope that helps. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.